Bima City. Bima City is a city located on the eastern part of Sumbawa Island, which has an area of 207.9 kilometers, while the population reaches 155,140. Bima City has 5 sub-districts and 3 sub-districts. Bima Regency. Bima Regency is an autonomous region located at the eastern tip of Sumbawa Island, which has an area of 4,389 kilometers, while the population reaches 520,440. Bima Regency has 18 sub-districts and 191 villages. Bima City and district have the same livelihoods, namely farmers, civil servants, traders, and many others. Dompu. Dompu is a district in the central part of Sumbawa Island, which has an area of 2,325 kilometers, while the population is 238,201. Dompu has 8 sub-districts, 9 sub-districts, and 92 villages. Dompu has livelihoods, namely animal husbandry, agriculture, and fisheries. Rimpu. Rimpu is a way of dressing for the Bima Dompu people who use the typical Bima Dompu sarung. Rimpu is a series of clothing that uses 2 pieces or 2 do'o sarungs. The 2 sarungs for the bottom and top. Rimpu is clothing intended for women. The sarung worn by the Bima Dompu community is known as tembenggoli and tembe songke, or songket sarung. Kavampida or cotton yarn, which is spun by yourself using a typical Bima Dompu weave known as muna. Peta Kepanca. Peta Kepanca is one of the traditions and a series of traditional activities leading up to the peak of the wedding event in the Bima Dompu tribe. This traditional Peta Kepanca activity is carried out in the evening before the ceremony. This event is usually attended by mothers. In the Bima regional language, Peta means crushed and Kepanca means pacar leaves. So the meaning of the Peta Kepanca tradition is to crush henna leaves on the palms of the prospective bride's hands. This is a symbol and sign that a woman from the family will soon let go of her bachelorhood and will soon be proposed to by a man. Tumisepi. Tumisepi is a typical Bima Dompu food made from ribbon shrimp, or very small prawns, which in Bima Dompu are called sepibo. The ribbon shrimp are fermented with salt until they give off a distinctive aroma. This food is most liked by the people of Bima. The basic ingredients are small prawns sauteed with light tamarind, chilies, tomatoes, and basil. Wane Beach. Wane Beach is in Tolotangga village, Monta district, Bima Regency. The distance is about 6 kilometers from Sultan Muhammad Salahuddin Airport. Wane Beach has wide stretches of white sand with waves and clear sea water. Traveling to this beach, you can enjoy the freshness of water by swimming, or play on the white sand of the beach. For those of you who want to get your adrenaline pumping, you can try surfing at this beach. The attraction of Wane Beach lies in the attraction of dolphins jumping on the water waves. For dolphin tourism, you must rent a fishing boat one day before leaving. The best time to watch this dolphin attraction is in the morning around 9 a.m. The distance to see the dolphin attraction only takes half an hour using a canoe. Wane Beach is equipped with a large parking area and a row of restaurants. Lakay Beach. Lakay Beach is a natural tourist area famous for its surfing beaches located in Dompu, West Nusa Tenggara. Preciously in Dompu district, Hu'u village. Lakay Beach can be said to be the surfing beach that has left-handed waves in West Nusa Tenggara. Many people in West Nusa Tenggara themselves are still not familiar with this Lakay Beach, even though this beach has some of the best types of waves in the world for surfers. which can be found at Ho'o, especially on the southern coast. Waves with an elongated pipe-shaped climb and end at the far edge of the reef at Priskop Nangas, Lakay Peak, Pipeline, Cobblestone, and Nangadoros. International surfing competitions between teams are often held here. This beach is also not specifically for surfers at low tide. Visitors can climb onto the coral at the edge of the beach while seeing several types of marine animals found in the coral water cascades. Therefore, there is a need for promotional design activities to introduce or informing the Lakay Beach to the people around Sumbawa Island.